Hello and welcome back to the channel. I've just arrived yesterday at the Hotel Central Centre here in Tenerife. Yeah, yesterday the weather wasn't too good. It was very overcast, but I didn't arrive till about 5 o'clock in the evening, so it wasn't too bad, but it was warm but overcast. The sun is out, fully out today. There isn't a cloud in the sky. There's a few over that side, but apart from that, it's good. So anyway, I'm going to walk down this way. I don't know where I'm going. Never been here before, so it's just playing it by ear at the moment. As I say, I don't really know where I'm walking, but by the position of the sun, which is over to the left of me, I would presume that I am heading down towards the beach area. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to go down there and see if I can get some breakfast. So I'm pretty hungry by now. Time is now just gone 9 o'clock. And I think it's about time I had some breakfast. I did come out yesterday last night, but I didn't really know where I was going at all. I did get a little bit lost, to be honest with you. Obviously the sun rises in the east, which is over there, so if I head this way I think I should be heading towards the beach area. I've just crossed over the road, as I thought it'd be better over this side, but what a gorgeous place this is. I've never been to Tenerife at all, any time, so it's all totally new to me. I don't know whether I made a good choice by coming to this side because there's some water sprinklers over here, so I think I'm going to give it a miss and pop back over to the other side. This is the Golden Clover Irish pub. I did walk past there last night, and it was heaving with people in there and very noisy. And I didn't have the time to go in there, but I might be going in there later on tonight. Just gonna cross the Las Américas road. I think this is the start of the Golden Mile, but I'm not going to go down there at the moment. I'm going to carry on down towards the beach area. One thing that is more noticeable this morning than was last night is the wind. The wind has picked up quite a bit. I've heard that is what it's like here in Tenerife, so I was aware that it was going to happen, but I didn't realise it might be this windy. It is fairly windy today. It's like a very nice hotel. A few people sitting out on the balcony as the sun's on that side of the hotel. This is about as far as I came last night. I just popped into the supermarket to get some essentials like bottled water and all that sort of thing. And then I popped next door to just get a sneaky little burger just to finish off the night. It was about 11:30, so I didn't really want too much heavy. So it was about 11:30, so I didn't want anything too heavy, and I just popped in there for a burger. It's quite nice. Okay, it's only about €5, so yeah, great. Just had a little sneaky review of one of the shots, and I realised that because of the wind, there's a lot of disturbance on the microphone, so I'm going to pop back to the hotel and get a dead cat and just stick that on the top there. It should help with the noise levels. Okay, let's try again. I swapped over the mics. I was using one of those mini mics before, and I've gone over to the full-size one, the Mark II versions of the DJI mics. And this one's got a very nice thick dead cat on the top, so it should cut out all of the wind. So I'm right at the end where the hotel is, and there doesn't seem to be very much wind up here, but I'm sure when I get down towards the coast it will get a bit more breezy. Well, I think I'm just about back to where I started from, where I left off when I went to go and change the mics over, so let's go on from here. Anyway, thanks for joining me on this exploration of Tenerife. I'm going to be coming out with quite a few videos on this trip, so hope you can join me in on all of them. If not, just have a look at this one and see how you think, and if you want to subscribe, then please do so. So down on the beach, as you can see, the waves are quite high. It's fairly windy today, so it's not surprising. I don't think I'd like to be going out there and swimming, to be honest with you. It's only just come up to 10 to 10 and I still haven't had nothing to eat yet, but I'm going to find somewhere around here hopefully and have some breakfast. Just look at those seas rolling in, very windy out there. I would say those waves have got to be, looking at a surfer that's just disappeared in one of those waves, it's got to be at least 12 or 15 feet. They might not look it from here, but they are when you see a surfer out there and he totally disappears into the surf. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful, crystal clear water and those waves coming in. Quite a nice walk along here, not too commercialised with a load of bars and restaurants. It's just as it comes really, apart from this pathway. That's all that goes through. It's very nice. The way I'm going at the moment, I think I might have to possibly skip breakfast and go straight into lunch. Doesn't seem to be much to eat around here. And I can't really see much in the distance, so anyway, I'm going to keep going. I'm sure there is something. I've seen videos where people have done things along this front, and eventually I will come to somewhere and have something to eat. I guess this is some sort of wind indicator. I'm not sure, but it looks like it is, and if you do know, just leave some comments down below. Nice little setup they got here on the beachfront. What a beautiful place this is. You know, I'm 67 years old. I'm surprised I've missed this all of my life so far, but I'm certainly going to be coming back here. Walking along here is so pleasurable. Even if I'm not finding somewhere to eat, there is plenty to see, and it's a very long walk, but very nice. As soon as I saw McDonald's, I thought, well, there must be something down here. They don't normally have McDonald's anywhere where there isn't any other food. For once, they like to capture all the market, so it looks like there's a few places down here. Just going to sit here and watch the surface for a while. So yeah, I am right, that's where I came the other day. La Boca, breakfast snacks, restaurant, pizzeria, that's where I went to the other day to have my first English breakfast here in Tenerife.